Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how you can change WhatsApp language in your phone. Okay, whatever may be phone, you will be using WhatsApp in your phone. Okay, if you want to change WhatsApp language from English to any other desired language, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just open your WhatsApp. Here I have this WhatsApp account, and to change language, currently it is in English language. If you want to change to other language like Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, etc., you can easily do it. What you got to do is just click on these three vertical dots and go to the settings here, and here you go to select app language. App language is in device language as of now. Okay, if you want to change to other language, here I would like to change to Tamil, and just click on Tamil, and yes, everything is changed to Tamil. Okay, see here. So here are a Thai status update, Alaipu. So all these are all these settings, and all the interface will be in Tamil. Okay, so it is changed from English to Tamil. If you want to change it back to default device language, again go to the same settings here, அமைப்புகள், and go to language. This is செயலி மொழி, and select the language. So this is English language. If you want to change to suppose any other language like Malayalam, yes, you can do it. So in this way you can easily set any desired language for your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.